Microsoft is plus 5.71% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is June 29th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Microsoft, the cloud and AI bellwether. Microsoft is up 5.71% to $372.97 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $355.43 and $376.61. The long-term fundamentals for Microsoft revolve around Azure growth rates, Copilot AI integration, and enterprise spending. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft. MSFT has a cloud and Copilot cash engine bigger than the ARIC Apex debate Alpha Street. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that oil prices back to pre-war levels on rising Middle East supply. Al Jazeera. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by What's Moving Markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Samsung plunged minus 5.30% to $339,500 in a significant session. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any NVIDIA or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Rocket Lab surged plus 4.77% to $84.54 in a significant session. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. Commercial success would dramatically expand the addressable market. Space Systems revenue is a growing, predictable revenue base. The SpaceX IPO narrative creates positive sector sentiment that benefits Rocket Lab. Goldman Sachs plunged minus 4.27% to $1,019.61 in a significant session. Investment banking fee recovery is the core thesis. The M&A and IPO pipeline is the most active since 2021. Trading revenues remain elevated given rate and FX volatility. Any large IB mandate announcement would be a direct catalyst. Here is our analytical view on Microsoft from here. The moat is widening. AI is accelerating enterprise lock-in to the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. The near-term risk is Google Cloud competition in the AI application layer. Watch for any commentary on Copilot seat conversion rates from large enterprise customers. That is the leading indicator of the next earnings upgrade cycle. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Microsoft from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.